Just see this, a premium high-end website with evolving particle animations, shapes that transform while scrolling, glowing cursor, trail effects, interactive motion around the mouse, modern UI and full agency level design. Most people would think a website like this costs thousands of dollars to build. But today I am going to show you how we can create and transform a website like this using a free template from Aura and customize everything inside Google AI Studio. We will change animation, import premium sections, rebrand the full website into an advertising agency, and give it a completely fresh look. So watch this video till the end, and if you enjoy practical AI website tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe for more. This is one of the easiest way to create high-end website with premium animation and modern design. Today's tutorial is not for any specific use case. It's just random and easy hacks to create an incredible website with much less efforts using smart AI tools. So let's get started. In this video, I will use Aura. Aura is a platform where you can find premium templates, animated components, and ready-made website design that you can remix, edit, and use as starting point for your own projects. Now, inside Aura, I am choosing this template because first, it is free, and second, it has a very high impact dot particle animation, which makes the website look premium and expensive. Let's open the template and understand why this design looks strong. At the top, you can see animated particle dots in the background, which is a particle morphing animation, where thousands of dots change shapes while scrolling, creating a premium futuristic effect. This is usually built using three.js for WebGL 3D visuals. Here, the particles transform into shapes like a sphere, helix, galaxy, and vortex. The text also appears smoothly with staggered reveal animation, commonly made using GSAP. As we scroll, the shapes keeps changing, which makes the website feel dynamic and expansive. Then we have a service card, portfolio, metrics, process, and contact section. So overall, this template has a strong premium structure. Now, let's see how to copy this website code. So I will simply click on use as free now. After that, it will ask me to remix it. I will click on this. An editable window will open. From here, you can access a full project code. Now simply copy the HTML code. You can also download the complete code files from here. I will download it. Once we have the code, then the next step, we will take it into Google AI Studio and customize it fully. Now I am on Google AI Studio. As you can know, Google AI Studio now has many new updates like backend support, database features, improved models, and many more advanced tools. So here, inside the build section, I will paste the full HTML code, which we have copied from Aura. And I will also attach the project code files. We have just downloaded that thing. I have just added, uploaded. Then I will give a simple instruction to recreate the website from this code, and I will just run the prompt. Now, as you can see, Google AI Studio has already started processing. I'm just skipping the waiting part. And yes, the website is now ready. You can see it looks exactly the same as one we saw in Aura. Nothing is broken or changed. All animations, text, layout, and effects are working properly. Now many people will ask, why not just use Aura only? The reason is simple. Aura is great for templates and quick edits. But Google AI Studio gives deeper customization, code level changes, backend options, database support, and more freedom to build beyond the templates. We will deploy also this website in Google AI Studio. Now let's move to the main part, customization. As I have already said, This demo is only for UI and website design. I'm not building it for any specific business use case. I just want to show how you can add premium animation to your website using Google AI Studio. If anyone wants to build and use it for their own purpose, you can easily change title, content, buttons, sections, colors, and branding just by asking Google AI Studio. Now let's do some customization. Here, if you can see, the second animation, the helix one, is very bright and hiding the capabilities section text. It is appearing above the cards, so the cards are not clearly visible. You can see it while scrolling. So I will fix this. I will give a simple instruction to Google AI Studio. I will add this prompt and I will just run it. Now Google AI Studio is working on it, and after some time, as you can see, the cards are now above the animation. When I scroll, the helix is behind the capabilities section, and now the whole section looks much better. Like this way you can edit any section. Now let's add one more premium customization. I want to add a glowing cursor tail effect that follows the mouse movement across the website. This small detail makes the website feel more interactive and high-end. So I will give a simple prompt to Google AI Studio and run it. Don't worry about the prompt. I will add all these prompts in my Telegram group. So if you need, you find from that. Now AI Studio is working on the change, and as you can see, the cursor is now has a smooth glowing tail that follows the movement. It matches the futuristic design perfectly and gives the website a more premium interactive feel. You can say this, it's good. Now I want to show you how to import an animation from Aura and add it to our website. So I am back on Aura. Here you can see there are many assets available. In the component section, there are different ready-made animated sections and effects. Let me open one or two. For example, you can see there's already look very premium. The good thing is you can use any of this idea in your own website. Now I'm choosing this one, the Unicorn Studio animated background, because it looks good and has a strong visual effect. You can directly copy the code, and you can also download the code for this particular section. It's super simple. Now I will go back to the Google AI Studio, paste the code. Also I'm uploading the file which I have downloaded, and ask it to add this animation only in the footer section. So now it has started working, and yes, now it's done. I'm going to the footer section, and yes, you can see the animation has been added. I know it does not perfectly match the website theme, that our dot animation theme, but I just wanted to show you how easy it to import any component animation and add it to your website. But individually, the effect looks very good. Now let's do another customization. I want to change the second animation, the helix one, from green to purple. I just want to change the color. This will give our website more luxury and futuristic feel. So I will just give a simple prompt to Google AI Studio and run it. Now AI Studio is working on the change, and as you can see, the second helix animation is now purple instead of green. It looks cleaner, more premium, and matches the dark modern website style much better way. Like this way you can do anything you want. Now let's customize something else. I think now what else I can do? Okay, let's do a full visual upgrade. I want to improve the website styling with a premium glass morphism look. But I don't want to change any other animations we already added. So I will give this prompt to Google AI Studio and run it. Now let's check what it did. And yes, as you can see, the website now has a cleaner premium glass look. while all the particle animation, cursor effects, and interactions are still working perfectly. You can see the effect here in all the cards. It's look good. Now let's do one-click transformation. I want to convert this entire website into a premium advertising agency website without changing the design and animation. That means I want to keep the same layout, the same premium UI, same particle effects, same cursor animation, and same overall styling. I want to change the content and branding. So I will give a simple prompt to Google AI Studio and ask it to turn this website into an advertising agency brand called Blink. This will change the logo, hero title, buttons, service section, portfolio text, metrics, CTA section, footer content, and all section headings. Now AI Studio has started working. So right now I'm skipping the waiting part. And now it's done. As you can see, the full website is now converted into a premium advertising agency website. The brand name is now Blink, and all the content has changed for an agency use case. But the design, animation, and premium look are still exactly the same. So this is the power of using Google AI Studio. You can completely repurpose one website design into any business niche just by changing the content. Now let's do the last and final upgrade. I'm bored with this all green and this all colors. So I want to change all the highlight colors, glow effect, and particle animations buttons into a new electric blue and cyan theme. Instead of using one flat color, I want to use layered gradient shades. That means darker blue tone at the top, medium blue in middle sections, and brighter cyan shades in lower section with a premium neon glow effect. So I will give a simple prompt to AI Studio and run it. Now AI Studio is working on it, and you just see this. It's done. The whole website now has a fresh electric blue gradient theme. The animations, glowing particles, buttons, hover effects, and the highlight colors are all updated beautifully. Its look much more premium, modern, and perfectly suits this advertising agency website. And that's it. In this video, we started with a free template from Aura, moved into a Google AI Studio, customized the animation, changed the design, added new effects, converted it into a advertising agency website, and completely rebranded it. So this shows you do not always need to build websites from zero. If you use the right tools smartly, you can create premium custom website much faster. And the best part is the same method can be used for any niche like agency, local business, startup, SaaS, portfolio, or e-commerce brand. All the prompts used in this video are available on my Telegram group, so you can check them there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video with someone who actually needs this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.